Hi YouTube. If you're like me, you sometimes wonder how the hell you clean these things accurately. There's stuff that you can't really get to very easily on these Munchkin style sippy cups. Something I found out that was kind of disturbing is most people remember to pull this part apart, and we clean this real good. Sometimes there's mold, especially in here. But there's one other thing you got to worry about, and there's a seal right here. There's an O-ring, and I found mold under that too, luckily before we had served it to our son. So I've been struggling with trying to figure out a way to get the seal off without using a knife or something like that, because seals are our friends, right? I figured out a way. I wanted to share that with you. If you hold down on one part of it tightly, I use my index finger like that, managed to neck myself, so that's why I have a glove on the right hand. And I guess I learned this by mistake, but here we go. Take the other finger and just kind of work it around, and hey, the seal will jump up. Oh, so easy. See? Anyway, it's my little life hack for the day. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for tuning in.